All right, man. So finally, at last, I can say again that today was a winning day, bro. It's been a rough week, a rough month, and March has been messing with me. But today I was able to come out with a win, actually two, right? So able to kind of stop the bleeding just a little bit. Hopefully tomorrow we can keep it going. But today I took two trades, right? And we won both of them. So let's just talk about it. This is the first one right here. And you can tell just by looking at the 5 minute how it was setting up. Just like the EMAs look very bearish. We broke yesterday's low and everything is just screaming sells. You go to the high time frame, same thing, right? And then this right here, this is the micro charts. On the minis, this candle right here was bullish. So this is the supply zone. And it tapped as per usual Nasdaq. It tapped right at market open, right? And I don't usually take trades at the open. I don't recommend taking trades at the open, but I scaled down to the 1 minute, and I think like a couple minutes passed, maybe two or so, and then it gave us a nice breakout candle going away from the zone. EMAs look wonderful. Breaker structure is great. And it just looked too beautiful for me to pass it up. The only thing I didn't like about it was the size of the stop loss, right? Which is probably why it only gave 1 to 1, especially considering it's the 1 minute. But I took the chance on it. Scared money don't make no money. So I took the break. I took the breakout. Hit 1 to 1. Coming off of the 5 minute zone, and I entered on the 1 minute. That's pretty much what it was. Preferably, I'd like to get like a 1 to 2 if I'm doing anything on the 1 minute. But this is just one of them ones where you gotta take what the market's giving you, and that's what I did. So that was the first trade, right? The 1 minute breakout on Nasdaq. This is at market open. The next trade that I took was a gold trade, right? Good old gold. No, for gold, right? What happened was on the 1 hour, there was a 1 hour demand, and it tapped the 1 hour demand. So when we look in the 5 minute, there was also a 5 minute zone, but it missed it just barely, wicking off the 200, and it, you know held, and then gave a nice breakout. I was able to get a 1 to 2 on this one. I like 1 to 1.5s. So I pretty much left our runner to 1 to 1.5, and then a little bit more at 1 to 1, a little more at 1 to 2. So pretty much, boom, it get a breakout, kind of tested by the 13, broke the 50. This is the only thing I didn't like about it, the fact that the EMAs were crossed going against us, and this was essentially the first test off the 50, which is usually where the L's come. But not in this case. Thankfully, gold came through, did what she had to do. We were able to take the trades up into all-time highs, taking out this swing right here, and just smashing. I closed right here at 1 to 2, and you know, I was pretty um content with that, especially considering how this week has been going, how this month has been going. So I was just happy to get two wins in the back, man, and that was pretty much it. I mean, the fact that it was coming off of a 1 hour, and the fact that it was coming off of a demand, just a demand in general. Yes, even with the 1 minute that I showed earlier, it was coming off of a 5 minute zone. So that's what I want to do. This 5 minute breakout was coming off of a 1 hour zone, and you see the difference. This one cooked up a lot more, obviously much smaller stop loss, but that was pretty much it. There's not much to it. I was able to cook up, make back some money that I lost this week, and hopefully tomorrow we can come in and keep it rolling. Because I don't want to say the slump is over because I won in between some really bad losses last week, or the last couple of weeks. So hopefully that's not the case this time, and I can keep it pushing, right? So tomorrow, Friday, we're gonna give it another go, and and see what this market's talking about. Until then, man, y'all know what it is. I'm gonna get the fuck up out of here, and y'all be safe. All right, 2 trades, 2-0 on the day. Let's go. Peace.